Hello everyone, in this video I'll be unboxing and sort of reviewing the KEMOVE SnowFox 61 wireless mechanical keyboard. KEMOVE actually offered this keyboard to me, so thank you KEMOVE for sending me this keyboard for me to review and making this video. Smirk emoji. Just a disclaimer, this video is not sponsored. They didn't sponsor me or offer me any money to make this video. I'm just going to unbox the keyboard as it is. But anywho, enjoy the unboxing. So here is what it looks like. The KEMOVE 61 is a 60% wireless mechanical keyboard, but I mean, come on, you knew that already. I found the build quality quite nice. It's got a matte white finish on the outside with a glossy black on the inside. Here are what the side profiles look like. On the back of the keyboard we have two toggles, one for Bluetooth and one for the Windows Mac function in case you're a Mac user. On the other side, we have the Type-C connector port. On the bottom of the keyboard, we have 4 rubber feet with 2 flip-up feet. So if ever you wanted to change the angle of typing, all you have to do is flip these 2 flip-up feet and you can change your angle of typing. Compared to my RK61, this is what it looks like. Alright, let's talk about the keycaps while I remove a sample with the included keycap remover. The keycaps are PBT double shot keycaps, so meaning that it won't shine as fast as cheaper ABS keycaps. I kinda like how the secondary functions are on the side of the keycaps. I personally find it more pleasing than having it to be printed on top. One issue I found with this keyboard is that the legends on the keycaps are somewhat inconsistent with the size, but it's not a big deal, just a minor inconvenience. The keyboard comes with a angled braided Type-C connector. Now you may be asking me, Kai, what the hell is that? Well, that was my same reaction. But it turns out this is actually a USB-A button. It just looks like this because it has no protection. This means that you can connect your USB port in either orientation, which I think is pretty cool. This keyboard comes with a bunch of pre-built RGB profiles. By pressing the function key and the backslash key, I'm going to be sifting through each and every profile and show you each and every one of them. Pressing the function button, it will actually trigger two LEDs to indicate you two things. The N key means that NKRO mode is on, and the out key is indicating battery level. So red is low, yellow means dying, no light is full. To start Bluetooth, all you have to do is unplug your keyboard, and then on the back, switch on Bluetooth mode. To pair your keyboard, all you have to do is make sure to turn on Bluetooth in your computer, and then after that, hold the function key and long press the Bluetooth slots to enable pairing. One feature about this keyboard I love is that this keyboard is hot swappable, baby. With the included keycap and switch puller, you can remove the keycap and the switch. You just need some force. Oh you need quite the force to pull it. Here's the switch socket. This keyboard is compatible with 3-pin switches. Here I have a Gateron switch. It's red because I'm a man of culture. You can simply press down while adding a switch, and there you go. Hot swappable for the win. So, is this keyboard worth it? Well, if you're willing to spend twice the amount of an RK61 for higher quality and hot swappability, I think that this keyboard is worth it. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you again for Qumu for sending me this keyboard, and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye!